Happy Thursday, everybody. Let's review daily stock market pre-market update. And you can see S&P 500, nice bounce from the buy zone yesterday. This buy zone happened in the morning yesterday, and we got a nice bounce here around 0.55% on MES, even on MNQ, which is Nasdaq. Nice bounce from the green zone on the left side to the top side, almost around 1%. So it was same across the board, and everything is working out as I was thinking. And let's go with the SPX cycle analysis, and it's working out perfectly. We'll review Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we'll wrap up with FANG stocks. And at the end, some of the subscribers wanted to know about few stocks. I will review that at the end as well. And please hit the like button before you go further. I will really appreciate hit the thumbs up button and share this channel with friends and family and help me grow this channel. Okay, so let's start with S&P 500 cycle analysis. You can see we are about the top of near the top of this rising cycle, and there are these resistances here. So white line is what I'm thinking it's going to happen. We're going to have just some chop around here, eventually drag a bit lower because there are two cycle lows are coming here. You can see yellow cycle and blue cycle. So I'm expecting some weakness in next couple of weeks towards the end of May, and that weakness will be the time to buy. Okay, so this is going to be best opportunity to buy. So get your cash ready. I won't recommend shorting, but just keep an eye on any good stocks you would like to buy on the in the long run. And this is going to be a nice bottom here, and then we're going to have massive bull run after. I think this is going to be higher low. I don't think it's going to be a lower low compared to this low. This could be bottom, but I think it makes sense to have little weakness and then bounce. That's what this cycle chart is telling me. We'll see how it works out. And let's do a side-by-side comparison. We have a daily MES chart here, which is live S&P 500 future on the right side, and on the left side is what I have buy and sell zones for. So I do side-by-side comparison. You buy on the green line, like what happened yesterday. Nice bounce from green line, and I was telling everybody this is the area to short. And yesterday we had a nice dump from a short area to buy zone, 0.76%. Now from call you could have taken call from buy zone, and now we are where we are now, where we're going towards again from neutral to sell zone. All right. And if you guys want to know more about this indicator and the levels, subscribe to my video. There's a YouTube icon in the description, red icon. Click on it, subscribe. Let me know your username in a Discord channel link. There's also a Discord channel link in the description of this video. Join that free Discord channel. Message me. You can chat with me. Message me your YouTube ID. I'll add you to the members only group where I share these levels with my subscribers. All right. Okay, so right now we are above this red line, which is 50 simple moving average. As long as we are above that, everything is looking good. In the short term, we are little from where we are right now, around 0.16% higher. That's going to be a good area to short. So for me personally, I don't like to short. I wait for it to go back to green zone. So I'll wait for it to dip to green zone. I took profits yesterday after it bounced from green zone, sold as we were going towards red zone. So I'll just wait patiently, no rush. We have a lot of time in May to get these choppy market and go back in the buy zone. So we'll wait and watch. And let's quickly look at SPY. Let's look at if there are any gaps. So there are some couple of gaps still down. So just keep in mind to 511.77 and then 505. I think one of these gaps could be filled in May, or both of these gaps could be filled. So just keep that in mind. MNQ, Nasdaq, same story, similar to S&P 500. You can see we had a nice shot from day before yesterday. Nice shot from sell zone, and then touched perfectly in the buy area, green line, and bounced massively. All right. So where we are right now, you can see we are near going towards sell zone, and the first resistance is 18,182.40, and the buy zone is 18,079. Okay, you can take a screenshot of these levels, pause this video, and so that you can help it can help you with trade. And on a daily chart, also we are above all moving averages, so nicely holding this support of this red line. So we'll see how it goes. Let's look at gaps on triple Qs. So there's a gap up around 445. There's a gap down around 413.85. So it's in the middle. We'll see which of these gaps get filled first. All right. Dow Jones US 30 is in the middle, neutral line. Russell 2000 is going towards sell zone. Nice bounce from the buy zone to the sell zone. So this trade is over. And let's see where we go now. If we go back again in the sell zone, good area to short. But if we come back in the buy zone, good area to buy again. I'm getting 7 count sell signal on the futures. We'll see if this plays out. And stock wise, I think Tesla was in the buy zone yesterday. Fell way below in the buy zone, and then it was a nice area to buy. Now in the neutral zone, there's a gap at 177, 183. I think it's going to go up and fill those gap. Let's look at other stocks. Gold. Gold is just drop. I don't know what happened. Just dumped after this. So there was a report here. I think labor report. It pumped after lower than expected labor. People have no jobs. So it pumped and now it's dumping. So right now in the middle zone. So no trade zone. We buy below 2300, sell above 2326. All right. Silver. Let's see. Silver is same thing. Selling right now. Crude oil had a massive pump because it was in buy zone. People were thinking it's going to keep crashing, but no. You can see whenever things are in buy zone, they bounce. So it was a very nice trade yesterday, around 2.74%. So congrats if you took that. And again, right now, let's see where we are right now. We are going towards neutral zone, so no trade zone. And on a daily chart, also trying to, so it's like a bear flag. Okay, this could break down and come in the low 70s. So keep that in mind. Natural gas also very bullish. Keep it's above all moving averages, so it's just looking bullish and bullish. Getting 8 count sell signal, resistances on 200 EM and SMA on daily chart. Short-term chart for day trading looks like it's in a resistance zone, so you can buy inverse ETF KOLD and you can try to short this market. Bitcoin. It was in the buy zone, so bouncing from the buy zone. So right now it's still near buy zone, and I have a 8 counts buy signal here. And on our daily chart, let's see what's happening with this indicator. Green line is still above red line. This is a crucial test. If we get a red close today, green line will go below red line. That's not going to be a good indication. Okay, so this is probably last chance for the bulls. Still lower highs, lower lows. You can see lower highs, lower lows. Still trend is not changed, but it really needs to break out of this, break above this red line to be bullish again. Okay, May could be still weak. We don't know right now. Either it can bottom here and bounce, or it will come back to here on the left side, which is support around 52K, make a new low and then bounce. All right. So there are two scenarios. We'll see which one plays out. Ethereum on the live chart, same thing, bouncing from the buy zone. Same thing here, new lows, lower high, lower lows. And on the Ethereum support is around here, around 2687. All right. Hang Seng Index, China. China, after it broke out by the dip, you can see very strong right now. Green line is 10 moving average, just got to by just touching green line and bouncing. Okay, so there's not a lot of dips here. So, but short term near the sell zone. So keep that in mind. Let's keep moving. Let's see. Any other stocks or commodities? Let's look at quickly. I think that quite covers everything I wanted to cover. So let's see if there's anything interesting. Shopify, which I wanted to see. Uh, Here you go, Shopify in the buy zone. All right. So after massive dump in the buy zone, up 2% pre-market. AMD is in the neutral zone. I think nothing interesting. I think all of these are like in the green zone. So not much happening right now. Apple is also in the neutral zone. Let me go through some of the subscribers picks. They were asking for HE. So here you go, HE. Sorry, HE. I think it's this one. No, this is future. High One Electric Industries. I'm hoping this is the one. And here, HE. And here, HE. Here you go. I think this is what we got. It was in the buy zone yesterday, bounced. Now in the neutral zone, levels are 9.85 and below, look to buy. Massive dump. If I zoom in, you can see new lows with divergence on PP and RSI. But you really want you really want to wait on a daily chart on the right side to close above 10.97, okay? Which is the resistances here. Until it close above that, not going to be bullish here. And Neo, somebody asked me, Neo, let's look at Neo levels. Neo's in the middle, neutral zone right now. It was in the buy zone yesterday. Back testing, which looks good. So you can see new low with divergence on RSI, this new low, and now broke out. Back testing, holding everything nicely. So as long as it's above $5, it's good. So, but in the short-term chart today, it's in the neutral zone, no trade zone for me. You have to buy below 5.15 or sell above 5.62. And I think, yeah, somebody asked me Baba if I'm not wrong. So let's review Baba very quick. Here you go, Baba. Also in the neutral zone. And on a daily chart, yellow lines are gaps to fill, green lines are also gaps to fill. Finding support on this green line, which is 10 moving average, it could come all the way back to 75 bucks. This is a massive gap here. So keep that in mind. I do have 9 count sell signal a couple of days ago. Since then it's dumping, so look to buy on this gap fill. It could come, there's another gap here around 72. It could come all the way down to that gap. So earnings will decide, which is coming soon, 14th of May, if it's going to come to fill this gap. Maybe that's where you want to be buying. But in the day trading chart today, it's in the neutral zone. Sell above 80.41, buy below 77.96. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hopefully it was helpful, and hit the like button on your way out. I'll see you later. Bye.